Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich instant breakfast recipe made without wheat flour or rice flour and is completely gluten free. It's ideal as an instant meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup grated lauki. Lauki is also known as bottle gourd. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Half of an onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon crushed red chilli flakes, half teaspoon jeera, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using bygone turmeric which has high curcumin content. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder. I have already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in 2 tablespoons water and with my hand I am mixing all this really well. Into this I am adding in half cup jowar flour. Jowar is also known as sorghum. It is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten free. I am adding in 3 tablespoons besan flour and with my hand I am going to mix all this really well. Jowar is rich in fiber and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. Jowar helps to manage blood sugar levels and aids in good digestion. Jowar is a good source of protein. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. Jowar is also a good source of iron and being a complex carbohydrate, jowar gets digested slowly, hence ideal for those with health issues like diabetes, PCOS and thyroid. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons water and give this a good mix. The addition of water will depend upon the type of jowar flour you are using. I am using stone ground jowar atta. It also will depend upon the moisture content in the lauki. So add water accordingly. And once it has been kneaded, you should be able to spread it with your thumb like this. So this is the consistency of the dough. To roll the dough, I am taking a small steel plate and placing onto the countertop. And then I am placing a wet cotton napkin over the steel plate. I am dividing the dough into 3 equal portions and I am taking 1 portion of the dough and I am placing it onto the wet cotton napkin. I am dipping my fingers in water and with wet fingers I am pressing the dough into a round roti. So this is very easy to make, especially on those busy mornings. Since jowar is high in fiber and lauki is also high in fiber, it will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Jowar also has a good amount of protein along with other much needed minerals and vitamins, flattening it out into a round roti. You can also shape the sides with your fingers if there are any uneven edges. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling in little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil and then place the napkin roti side down onto the hot tawa. About 5 seconds later, carefully remove the napkin. Cover and allow the roti to get cooked. A couple of minutes later, open the lid and drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. Lightly spread the oil all over the roti. Now flip the roti carefully and allow that side to get cooked. Once that side is done, carefully flip it over and serve to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the dough. And my super healthy, gluten-free, instant breakfast roti for weight loss is ready to serve.